Hi there, I'm Megan Thompson. After a weekend off for the holiday, we now have those crews back out and working with those weekend construction projects. So here's what you need to know. This big one is the I-10 westbound between the US 60 and 32nd Street for the Broadway Curve Improvement Project. That starts at 10 p.m. Friday, lasting until 4 a.m. on Monday. Plus, a lot of on-ramp restrictions with this one. I-10 westbound on-ramps between Elliott all the way to 40th Street will be closed. Plus, your access from the 60 westbound to the I-10 westbound will be closed, and these US 60 on-ramps at McClintock Drive, Rule, and Mill Avenue, along with the 143 southbound, that access to the I-10 westbound. So ADOT says the best way to get around this one, especially if you're heading to the airport, is to travel eastbound at either the Superstition Freeway or the 202 Santan. From there, you'll connect to the Loop 101 northbound, the Price Freeway, and then use the 202 westbound, the Red Mountain Freeway. You can also use the 202 South Mountain Freeway, taking that westbound and then northbound to reconnect with the I-10 right around 59th Avenue. I know that's a lot of information. We also have some restrictions in the West Valley. Those have been posted online for you at abc15.com.